Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your iPhone is online and updated. This avoids verification hiccups. Once done, keep a phone number and recovery email handy for security codes. Now open the App Store or settings where accounts are added. Tap to add a new Google account and choose Create Account. You do this because Google needs basic profile info to build your ID and send verification codes. Follow prompts for name and birth date. Make choices deliberately since they affect access and recovery options later. Next, you fill out the core account details. Enter your name and birth date. Google uses this to enforce age restrictions. Then choose a username that's unique. If unavailable, try adding periods or numbers because usernames must be distinct. Create a strong password and confirm it. This prevents unauthorized access. When prompted, add the recovery phone number and email so you can regain access if you forget the password. Carefully review Google's terms and privacy options and adjust account personalization as you prefer. To finish, verify your identity using the SMS or voice code Google sends to your phone. Enter it promptly to confirm the account. Once verified, enable two-step verification for stronger security and review privacy settings to control data sharing. After setup, sign into Mail, Chrome, and the App Store to sync email, contacts, and bookmarks. If verification fails, make sure number is entered correctly, check network connectivity, and request a new code. Clearing the message's app cache or restarting your iPhone often.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.